guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jabzo. Today's video is a thank you video on the 1000 subscribers we gained last month. That was exactly 10 months after the YouTube channel started, from 29th February to 29th of December. I'm really grateful for the support, and I encourage that you support me as we go forward and as we improve. This video I'll be discussing with you the reasons why I started this YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why I started. The first one is that I have a passion to teach people what I know. I know a lot of stuff. I learned them for free, and I usually like to teach some of them for free. And YouTube is a platform where you can leverage upon to spread these skills. And I'm not a CS student. If those of you who know me, you know that I'm not a CS student. I'm a math student. But I've learned some of these skills alongside since I was a kid. It was a passion that was within me. But I didn't know I could do CS. That's why I didn't do CS. And I've had an opportunity to learn this stuff, and I wanted to teach. So with this passion, I saw YouTube as a platform that can help me spread these skills across, not only to people that I know, but to people that I do not know, and to make impact into life. The second reason is that I've always had to teach people certain things, and it's always frequent. You're doing a lot of things always, and sometimes you don't have time to do it for people. People can call you at a particular time that you are busy. So I decided to create a channel so that I can put videos out there. When someone asks me for help on a particular thing, I can just create the video and put it out there. Whoever that needs that particular help, I'll just direct you to the channel or give you a link to it so that you watch it, so that I don't have to be repeating myself always. And it has come so far, helped me in a way and reduce the time that I will spend with people instructing them. But also, I've taught people how to do certain things by themselves through this YouTube channel. The third reason is that I wanted to find a way of improving my skills. There are certain skills that I learned for free, and I believe in teaching you learn more. They say practice makes perfect, but teaching perfects you more. When you teach something, you get it more into your mind. And also, in teaching others, you get to learn new things. In order to create a video, you don't just go and give out what you have in mind, but you do research into the particular topic, and upon the research you get additional information to give it out there. And it has been a great experience being on this platform, and my skills so far have improved. I've learned how to edit videos, how to create thumbnails, and I've even had to interact with people from places I never knew I could interact with them. So it was something that has been a great thing to me, and my skills have been improved very much since I started this channel in February. The fourth reason is that the inspiration I got from other Ghanaian tech YouTubers. Shout outs to Sir Innocent. His channel name is Innocent K. Boateng. This guy did a lot of work. He helped me. The inspiration alone was something that pushed me to start the channel early. I wanted to start it maybe later than the time I started it, but seeing his content and hearing the Ghanaian voice, it was something that inspired me, and I also decided to come out of my corner and also do something and get content out there to feed people and to teach others. And he did not only give me the inspiration, but when I started this channel, I contacted him. He gave me some of the tips how to grow, and his growth rate, I've grown a bit faster than he did. He used about 1 year to get 1,000. I've used less than that to get. So his impact on me has been great. You can check out his channel in the link that I'll put below, and also I'll put a card below directing you to his channel. It has been a great experience working. The fifth reason and the last one in this video is money. Yes, money is also a reason why I started this channel. I wanted to find a side income, an income that sometimes when you are working, you can also get it to support the bills and do other stuff. So money has been the reason why I've been on this platform. And even though I've not monetized my channel yet to get the money that I was looking for, but very sooner than later, I'll be doing that somewhere in the next 2 months. And when I monetize this channel, it's going to be of great help to me. And I promise to give you the best of content and improve upon everything that is on this channel. This channel is going to be a great thing, and I would like you to be part of this success. Since you started with me, let's continue doing it. Spread the news, forward this video to as many people as you can. Let them see it and let them know that there is value on this channel, and if they subscribe, they are going to enjoy nothing but the best that I can offer. And with this best, we are going to go nations, we are going to go far, and a lot of stuff are going to come out of it. There are great benefits coming out soon. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you are done subscribing, share this video and like. If you have any suggestions for other videos, please don't hesitate to put it in the comment section or contact me through any of my social media handles. Joe Yabzo. Thank you very much. God richly bless you, and let's make the world a great place and a better place for everyone.